when you are actually beginning to start the journey of Iman, of faith. And the Quran tells us, Allahu waliyul lazina amanu, yukhrijuhum minal zulumati ilan nur. Allah becomes the protecting friend of those people who want to believe. He takes them away from the darkness of misguidance towards the light of guidance. This is a statement in principle. You know what it means? What it means is, if you want to believe and you are eager and you want to get connected with the Almighty, He will bring you out from the darknesses of misguidance towards the light of guidance. How? Don't be disappointed with that, what I'm saying. I don't know. In your case, it's going to be different. In my case, it was different. If I'm going to tell you what happened to me, you'll be disappointed. What is this? This is nothing important. But I know my experiences, and they are a part of me. They are my asset. I love them. You will try. I have no doubt about the fact that the one who gave me those experiences because of something that I did, why would he not do it to you? If it's not happening, my message is try it. I mean, there's no way you will not get it. So this is what the Almighty tells us. And the key to it is dua, seeking the Almighty's help, His assistance. In what? Well, that's another important aspect. In the difficulties and ups and downs that you are going through in your life. You know, people ask, why is this life the way it is? I mean, it is good, but not so good. There are problems. There are difficulties. Well, honestly, I tell you, if you were a prince from birth till death, you would have been a miserable person. You would have gotten nothing. It is because of these fluctuations, ups and downs in life, that we seek His help. We look for Him. We pray to Him. And He responds. He most certainly responds. That is what Iman, faith is, and the journey of faith is. And it's an ongoing process. It would end only when your life ends. You can never complete it. And that's the beauty of it. Keeps you going.